Kasi mga 2/3 of the time nagkukuha mo, pero yung pagdating sa mataas na parte, hindi dapat ito tumigas sa ito, malambot. Pag pumpasok ito hindi lalabas. Hindi, keep that posture.
Standing by your side, bringing you all the colors that can spare. There's may been times when I should have been there to hold you.
Mayabang.
From the night, if you depend upon me, then maybe you'll see inside the river from going to the sea. Something just happened, like they're meant to
Use the
be.
breath. Yan, lumitigil eh.
And it doesn't matter where you are, where you go, what to do. You can't stop my heart from loving you. I've been miles away.
Huwag tumitigil dyan.
I'm taking mine.
Yan.
I won't blame you.
Huwag mong katikisin to.
No way, no. I won't blame you this time.
Wala ka dun eh.
Tapos ako puso. Hindi ko makuha. I've been miles away, but I'm taking mine.
Relax.
I won't blame you for a minute.
Palalamin na yan.
No way, no. I won't blame you this time. I'm taking mine. I won't blame you for a minute. No way, no. I won't blame you this time. It's up the river, I'm going to the sea. Something just like they're meant to be. And it doesn't matter where you are, where you go, what you do. You can't stop my heart, no, no. You can't stop my heart, no, no. You can't stop my heart from loving you, loving you. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if you take a breath, fine. But use it. Nangyari, parang pinipigil mo ganyan. At gumagano ko. Hindi. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Gamit hanggang sa huli. Hinga. Gamit hanggang sa huli. Hinga. See? Yun ang dapat nangyayari. Okay? Kundi, ngayon, huwag ka magpaganon kasi hindi mo maano eh. Kailangan may resistance eh. Linalabanan ngayon ito. Kaya hindi dapat siya mag-collapse. Okay?
Opo.
And, alam mo na yun, no! Practice mo yun. Sige, tawagin mo si Darnie.
Ay, yung ano po, itong ano namin.
Ano yun?
Sap.
O, pag,
Ay, baka.
sige, tawagin mo si
naman ako
Darnie. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung makakakanta si Edison.